How to draw on Instagram story. So here is a simple clean step-by-step guide for how to draw an Instagram story. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now swipe right or tap plus create at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your Instagram story. Once you're inside the Instagram story, all you have to do is simply capture a new photo or video or tap the gallery icon and choose one from the photos option available there. But here I'm capturing from my new photo. So once you capture it, all you have to do is tap on the pencil icon or drawing icon available at the right hand sidebar. If you don't see it, then tap on the more icon available there and tap on the draw. Once you tap on the draw, you can draw it according to your preferences. There are different types of pen available. Choose it and draw. So that is it. Now once you are done, you can tap on the done and post it to your story. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.